Okay. Guys, if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and ask me. Go ahead, because um, sometimes I don't look at the messages or the message box. Malika, assalamu alaikum. Clear. Okay, so hello from Morocco. Hello, how are you? Do you have any questions, guys, before we start the session?
You go home, sir.
Okay. These are the course content on timetable. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the first module, AI-powered content creation and design. In this session, we're going to learn how to create PPTs, infographics, generation, doodles, and images using free apps or applications, creating short educational movies in different ways by the way. So in each one of these items or these elements, I'm going to explain how to do it or how to make it in different ways. Handwriting, whiteboard, animation videos, and AI generated mind maps, text summarization, and key highlights. Okay, so let's go ahead for the first one. And most of these elements are related to each other. So while we're creating PPTs, we will need to summarize the text, and also sometimes we need to generate mind maps and images. So let's start with the first one, which is how to create PPTs and infographic generation, sorry, infographics in a minute. Okay, so to do this, I think that you have your laptop now, guys, right? So you can apply directly what you're learning. Okay, so to generate PPTs, there are different ways. And the first application which we can use to generate, so you can write here Google, Google, sorry, Notebook, and then Google Notebook LM. Okay, let's introduce to you this wonderful tool. Here you can try Notebook LM. And then go to create new. Okay, but in this case or in this application or site, you have to upload your content. So let's upload a content and see what can we do. I think that I don't have content here, but let's choose one from the desktop. Okay, so let's choose in one of these, the pages or the course in Word. Okay. Here, Google Notebook LM, starting to write the notes, and here are the notes. So you can the content will be uploaded in this side. So you have to click it like this. Okay. And here the content. Okay. So what can we do with this content? You can create audios, videos, mind maps, reports, flashcards. You can create quizzes. You can create infographic or slides. And um, now we're going to learn how to create slides in this way. So number one, we we go to Google and write Google Notebook LM, and then we click the icon or the button create notebook or create new, and then we uploaded the content which we need to create from it the PPT, and then you just press this slide. In this application, it takes some time, around 5 minutes, from 3 to 5 minutes. And by the way, this is the slowest application, but it's wonderful. Okay, let's leave it now and leave it to create the slides and to go to the application number 2, which you can use in creating your PPTs or PowerPoint. Okay, so you can go to Google like this and right here, Gamma, and then go to Gamma AI. Okay, then click this link. I'll send it to you, by the way, in the chat box before we start. It's in the chat box now. Okay, thank you. Go to Gamma. Yes, as I said, it takes some time, but it's wonderful, by the way. Okay, so once you go to Gamma, just click Create, and here in Gamma you can create many things like slides, AI images, but let's try first the slides. So create with AI, and here generate, paste in text, and now it's wonderful because you don't need to upload your content, but you can copy and paste. So let's try it. Here you can paste the content and you can choose whether you want to create presentation, web page, document, and it's wonderful in creating documents, social if you want to create a social post or something like this. So in the presentation here, copy and paste. So let's copy any. Okay. Okay, I have another a wonderful content. So let's get it. Takes time, guys, so you have to be patient. Okay, so let's copy this, the structure of the English syllable. Okay, I summarized this content, and now I want to use it to make a PPT or PowerPoint presentation. So I copied it, and then here I can paste. Do you have any questions? I think that someone is asking. What is the meaning of this course? What do you mean? Sorry, I didn't get it. Yeah, Omar. Okay, Omar, let's go ahead. So I pasted the content here and then head down, go down, so you can choose generate from notes on an outline. So you can here paste notes instead of the whole content, and then summarize long text. So you can, if you have a long text and you want to summarize and create PPTs, you can do it. Or preserve the exact text. And it's wonderful, by the way, because the application will not change any piece of information. So, and here, continue to prompt editor. And from this tab, you can change or choose the theme you want. Okay. You can change in a theme like this one, or view more. Click here, view more to see more themes. And here, standard themes. You can change the theme as you like. Okay, let's choose this one, by the way. Or this one, you can preview it here. I like this one. Okay, so I choose the theme, and then these are the cards. Then click generate and just have rest. You can see the PPT is being built in front of you like this. It will not take time, and it depends on the content you provide Gamma with it. I think this is the last part. Do you have any questions? If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, so our PPT or the PPT now is completed. It's okay. Great. And now you want to change something, or if you want to change something, if you want to remove something, it's very easy. It's super easy. So you can click this icon with agent here, click it, and write what you want. For example, here in this box, I'm going to write, for example, remove the photos. So we have a photo here. And it has been removed. Okay. And this is a comparison between the two slides. Okay, but we can say add small photos. Or you can write remove the photos and replace them with small ones. See, the movies are being created. They are not small, so you can replace them in the same way or use icons instead of the movies. Sorry, instead of the photos. Okay, so let's leave it works and then go to our Google LMS, Google Notebook LM. So this is the presentation. Let's have a look in it. Here, the Modern Creators Toolkit. Okay, 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 no worries. You can add anything, you can delete, you can change. And finally, download it. Okay, because we didn't choose as a PPT. Just a moment. You can start the slide, share it. Okay, it downloaded as a form of PDF. Okay, it is not a problem. So you can go there, to Google and write convert from PDF to PPT. Okay. And directly to this site, I love PDF. Select the project you want to change. This AI presentation. Open it. And then convert. But by the way, this is the first time this application to do this this action. Okay. Now we created the presentation. Let's go to Gamma. So I think it finished. Sorry, because I explained two applications in the same time. Okay, so this theme is not appropriate. I don't like it. So you can change it. No worries. You can change it to anyone. For example, this one. and then close it. Close this tab. Then you can click this and share. Click share, and then export as a PDF, export to PDF, export to PowerPoint. Will be this way. Okay, let's see what we have it changed it from PDF to PowerPoint. This is what Google Notebook LM has done. So this is our PPT. I feel that my laptop is a bit slow, but I'm sorry for this. Okay. Can you see my screen, guys? Hello?
Yeah, we can.
Yes.
Yes, we
So
can
this,
see.
this is the first PPT
Sorry,
we
guys.
created it using Google Notebook LM. Look, Google added everything. He did everything for us. You can arrange or you can add, you can delete, but you will not spend ages to create the PPT from scratch. And this is what Gamma created. So now we've learned two applications to create PPTs. Look, phonetic view of syllable, minimum syllables, no onset or coda, syllable with onset. You can add, you can change, you can do anything, but now you already have the basics or the PPT. Okay, you need to explain your lesson, whatever online or on site. Great. So you can add anything you want. You can ask the agent, just you can write here, make, or I can change the theme. From here, I created a theme. I think that you will like it. This is custom, Waleed. Yes, I created this theme. And here it is. Okay, so let's download it again. Export. You can, by the way, you can write the steps, guys. Someone is asking. If you want to ask any question, turn on your mic and ask directly. Gamma is free until you run out of credit. Yes, but now I'm going to show you how to trick, or sorry, how to trick how to use it as if it's pro. No worries. How to use the pro version for free. That's why I'm saying, guys, ask you directly. Turn on your mic and ask me.
Sir,
Hello.
can I have the session video after the session?
Sorry. Again, please.
Can we have, sir, this or whatever you're going to teach today? and we needed the script step by step because after
Yeah,
this session we going to practice.
yeah. No worries, no worries. After the session, I'm going to send you the link. And by the way, the session will be on my LMS, which is of quality.
Dr. Walid, hello.
Yes. Yeah, hello.
I enjoy your session today's a lot.
Really?
Really, really. You are amazing man and professional, by the way.
Thank you a lot. It's a kind of you. I'm still
Uh,
learning.
I have noticed something.
Yeah. Yeah, tell me. Go ahead.
I think when I am practice with you right now,
Yeah.
uh, I noticed something like Notebook LM is more professional than Gamma AI for me.
Yeah, no worries. You can use it. And by the way, I'm going to show you two additional tools, and you can choose anyone you want. Sometimes I create PPTs on Gamma, and sometimes in LMS, and sorry, in Google LM. So so don't worry.
I
But
upload I
yes,
upload PDF. Okay. I
Yeah.
upload
So
PDF,
I'm
full PDF.
sorry. Mm,
yes,
Sorry
Mr.
for
Muhammad.
interruption.
Yes, sir.
I upload full PDF meeting summary,
Mhm.
marketing meeting, and notebook LM give
Mhm.
me amazing presentation right now, just with you.
Yes, we will discover everything. I'm going to explain everything relates to Google Notebook LM and Gamma, okay?
Okay.
And also Canva. Everything relates to AI and technologies or tools in education. I'm going to discuss everything. So, guys, this is my
Mr. Walid,
LMS.
I
Yes.
have a question, please.
Yeah, go ahead,
I'm
please.
sorry for interruption. I'm sorry. Yes, but since you're talking about AI tools and using technology, now we've seen two application or two different websites. So
Yeah.
what makes them different? What makes them special? Like what makes me use Gamma and not Google LMS? Or maybe you tell me about your preference. Which one do you prefer? It's easier, maybe it's more practical, user friendly, because actually I've never used any of them.
Actually, sometimes I use Google Notebook LM in specific topics, or if I want to create audios, create conversations. So, and other times I use Gamma. It's faster. You can control everything in it, but in Google Notebook LM, there are few options. Okay, so
Oh,
it's up to you. It's up to you. It's optional. You can use it or use it. So
But
after this,
but
yes,
I think Gamma is limited to 10 slides only. If we want to add more slides, then we need to make it by themselves. Like I use Gamma in my when I was doing my CELTA. I
mm-hmm.
prepared my PPTs for teaching practices from Gamma. So
Yeah,
after
great.
every 10 slide, I need to add slide by myself. Gamma do not offer you more than 10 slides. This is a drawback of Gamma.
Yes, and even with Google Notebook LM, you have to add something because you will not get everything in just 2 minutes. As a teachers, sometimes we need to change, we need to add, we need to arrange. Okay, but the benefit from it is that we don't need to create everything from scratch. That's it. So
Yeah,
you save,
it's well said.
yeah, so you save time. You will save time. Okay,
Even you
so
save time and you
Can
get ideas.
Yes,
Because you are to build on that idea. You are not going to create your own ideas because you don't have that much time at that.
yeah, especially if the topic is new for you or for the students. So if you don't have authentic text,
Yeah.
okay, but if you have an authentic text, so you can use it. You can summarize, you can write the main elements and then use them to create PPTs or anything else.
Hi,
Uh,
Mr. Walid. How's it going?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Who's
I want to
talking?
just ask a question.
Yes, Rawan. Go ahead.
Okay. For I love PDF, it's for converting any PDF into PPT, but it's here it's allowed to convert it if it's up to 4 gigas. So is it premium as well, or we have another way to use it?
It's a premium, but you can convert up to 19 pages. But after 19 pages, you have to pay in one time. So if your file or the document you want to change or you want to convert is about from 1 to 20 pages, so it will be you will be able to convert it. But if it's up to 21, you need to pay. And I don't
Actually,
think
it's
that you
15.
have, yeah.
It's 15, but it's not allowed. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, no worries. You can divide it into 2 parts or 3 parts
Mm-hmm.
and then convert each part.
Oh, divide the PDF itself?
Yeah, the PDF itself.
How
And
can I?
there is an application which is Foxit. Foxit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, download this app and upload your document and divide it into parts.
Can you send it for me? That just the link in chat. Chat?
Okay, I'll send it. This is
Mhm.
the Foxit.
That here will help me to divide the PDF into 2 parts and then
Yeah.
go to I
Yes.
love PDF to convert into
Yeah,
PPT.
here it is. Foxit.
Yeah.
Look, Foxit, Foxit PDF or Foxit.
Mm-hmm.
Here it is. Foxit PDF.
Yes.
Foxit
Okay.
PDF editor. Okay,
Thanks.
so you're most welcome.
Mm-hmm.
I think we downloaded it and we had a look. So let's try a different app. But before we go to a different app in creating PPTs, after the session, you will find this session and this part. I have created this, so you can enroll and then register, and then you will find all the sessions here. Okay, and this is, by the way, by the end of this course, you will be able to create an LMS like same as this. So you can upload your work or you can mark it for yourself. You can work in this field. I created it myself. Live courses. I have my live course here. Self-test preparation course, Delta Module 1, TOEFL test and certificates, how to teach IELTS, and your course, this one. Okay. And here I have the courses. I'll add many because this is the LMS number 2 I have created. I have a different one, which I uploaded everything to it, and this contact. You can so the users can send you emails or contact you directly on WhatsApp. Areem, okay, Areem, and then the registration, and finally the court. So this course is very, very valuable and wonderful. You will learn everything, even creating an LMS like this one. You know, people pay a lot to create such an LMS like this one. Yes, Reem?
Can you tell us, please, about how can we use Gamma, but what if we've run out of credit? Like, what can we do?
Yeah, good. It's a good question. Good question.
Thank you.
Look, okay, so here, yeah, Reem, if you run out of credit, so you can download this application. Let me show it. Let's close all tabs. I don't use it. Okay, so Turbo, or yeah, it's a Turbo VPN. You can write it in the chat box, and then it change your location. So you click here, your IP address will be changed, and then you can log in again to Gamma and create whatever you want.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. So you can take a screenshot or something like that, whatever you want. Okay, so this is the application number 2. Let's go back to, I don't want to explain everything about Google Notebook LMS right now, but let's try the audio if you want to create audio using the same content. So you can do like this, deep dive or brief, critic, or debate between two people. So here you can write what should the AI hosts focus on. You can write whatever here. I want them to blah, blah, blah. I want them to talk about the importance of these modules. Okay. He will use the same content we provided it. Okay. But if you want a different content or something different, you can in the same way upload the document and then it choose what you want to create from here. Now I'm going to try the audio and then the video. Okay. So let's do it. Here, look. And here the generating audio. It will not take much time. So now you can ask me any question, guys. If you have any questions. Can we add sounds to these slides? Sure, you can add sounds. I'll explain it. It's a good point. Can we add sounds? Yes. Most welcome, Yari. Okay, so here generating audio. I think it will take 1 to 2 minutes. So let's try a different app. Here we have also to create PPTs. We have a different and wonderful app, which is Skywork. Skywork. Look here. Skywork. I'll send you the link if you'd like to try it with me right now. I sent it. I didn't explain everything relates to Gamma because I want today to focus on creating PPTs, but there are different things here. So this is Skywork. Let's see how can we use it to create PPTs or PowerPoints. Here you have to click here, slide, and then paste. Okay, yeah, that's because I pasted. I didn't close you. Okay. Let's try this colorful. No, I don't want this part. Okay, copy the content, and then go to Skywork here. Really, I don't want you. Okay, no worries. And here you just click it. Okay, I have to sign in. Get 500 credits. It also takes about 3 minutes, but it's amazing. So leave it and then go to AI part here. This takes some time. You have to stay in the page. Okay, because insufficient credits. Okay, no worries. I've used a different account. No worries. You can create 2 or 3 accounts like this. No worries. I write Sky Work. Did you see? I used a different account. Here it is. Yes. Okay, and everything. Now it's generating the PPTs. Okay, continue. We want it light. I want it light, not dark. And you have to choose the number of slides if you would like to choose or modify something. Look here in this tab. Here we only see the code, but we don't want to see the code. So you can click this icon and you will see the pages, structure of syllable. Look, it's so wonderful. And it doesn't change the content, by the way. Okay, here you can write your notes, for example, make or okay, use bold font size. You can write anything you want, like add icons, make it colorful. And so on. So to create PPTs or PowerPoint, you can use Google Notebook LM. You can use Gamma. You can use Skywork. And the last one I'm going to explain today is Canva.
Dr. Walid,
Yes.
Skywork, I don't understand يعني what job?
What is its a job?
What full job
We
يعني?
use it- What do we use it for?
Yes.
We use it to, the three applications that I explained. We use
Yeah.
to create PPTs. Mhm.
Gamma and
Yeah. Google Notebook.
Google and
Yes.
Skywork. Tools
I
for what? Your
Yes, I
accent.
explained. Yeah, I explained how to use them to create PowerPoint.
Okay.
They have different jobs, but I explained this one only because this is the focus of the session.
Yeah, I understand the two tools.
Yeah.
Previous tools, Gamma and the Google, but this one I don't understand.
No worries, I'll explain it again. No worries.
Okay. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Okay, and it takes some time to change to the change. So you can leave it, drink tea or have breakfast or do anything you want and leave it. Okay, so we will go back again to Gamma to see how our PPT have been changed. Here we don't want Skywork here because Skywork in this account on this account have been it's out of credit. Okay, so I changed the account, so you can do the same or you can pay for them. So this is Gamma, and let's see. Okay, so here the audio which we created based on the content we provided. So let's hear it.
Okay, let's unpack this. We are diving into a whole stack of sources today, and they all point to this foundational
hear,
shift
guys?
in how content actually gets made. So our mission really is to look past the novelty factor of AI. You know, we want to analyze why these AI-powered
Guys, if you
content
please,
creation modules
do you hear?
well, they're not just cool new apps anymore. They
Yes.
feel like foundational infrastructure necessary for professional productivity and just getting design work done efficiently.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, the sources are making a really clear argument.
What's that?
The days of content creation being this high friction, super specialized task, they're ending. Past. I mean, these modules cover a massive range of tasks, things that traditionally demanded, deep design expertise or
Listen, guys, it's a very interactive and useful conversation between two people. So you can, in the same way, you can change any story or any text to a good conversation like this to engage your students. Listen.
Okay, let's unpack this. We're diving into a whole stack of sources today.
And here you can click this this button to join the conversation, so you can interact with them. Let's try.
They all point to this.
Oh, hey there, what's up?
I think that it's a very important topic to talk about using technologies in education. Do you agree with me? I think
Yes.
it's Mhm.
We
Yes.
agree with you.
No, I'm just interact with them because here.
Well, thank you.
We appreciate that vote of confidence.
Listen.
We love what you're joining us on this.
Because it's a
Oh, go for it.
I think that it's very important to use technologies in education. Do you agree with me? Listen.
Oh, that's a fantastic point.
Absolutely, we couldn't agree more.
In fact, your point.
Look, I asked them, guys. I'm sorry. I told them my opinion. So you can interact with the audio you have created in Google Notebook LM. Do you get it? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And Yes, it's a wonderful. And then you can download it in the same way. But also we can change it to or convert it into a video. But I'll not change this content in the video into a video. I'll use a different content because I wanted to talk about something different. So let's create a Word document because you know to use Google Notebook LM, you have to upload your content. Let's write anything here, sorry, and then just a moment. Be patient, please. Okay, so I paste. Where is? It's additional point. There is no need to do it. So this is the content we're going to use. You can use anyone or in different content. I named it syllable. So let's go ahead to Google Notebook LM and then hit this button. See, you have to upload the content. So we will upload it. So from the desktop. Let's see how it will convert it into a video or something different. Our content is being uploaded. So click this or click the note, the syllable, documents, click it here or open it in this tab. And this, and then go to any one of these. You can convert it into audio as you saw right now, and convert it into a video. So let's convert it to a video. It will take some time. So let's go back to Skywork and see what it done. What it has done. So now you can download it from this button. You can choose PPT, PDF, HTML, and we will use it while we're creating our LMS. So you can choose any one of these, download. Please come here. It's downloading, no worries. Do you have any questions? I think wow, good. Okay, really impressive. Yes, thank you. I think that my computer is a bit slow. Okay. And this is the PPT from Skywork. Let's write slideshow. So let's hit slideshow. You can change the font size, you can adjust or add, remove, anything you want. But you have all the elements you need. That's it. And Skywork also, using Skywork, you can, I think that Muhammad asked me to explain Skywork again. I'll explain again. Muhammad, you have to go to Google like this and write in Google, write Skywork, and then click this button or click the link. From the link, choose a slide, documents, posters, websites, sheets, anything you want. Okay, so in our case, we use slides. Okay, and then here in this box, paste the content, and then click this. And let Skywork do your work. That's it. Yeah. Okay, let's, you know that Google Notebook LM takes some time. So now I'm going to move to Canva. Okay, so write Canva. Have you ever tried the Canva before, guys?
I haven't ever used the AI before أصلا.
أصلا
أصلا
أصلا خالص.
جدا.
طيب, okay, we will discuss Canva and what we can do using Canva after 5 minute break. 5 minute break, sorry. Okay, thank you. Good, Yarogar. Okay, so I not shut down the meeting. But we have 5 minute break. Guys, we will meet at 15 past 10. 15 past 10. Okay, so go to Google and write Gamma AI like this. Press enter. You will be redirected to the site. I'm sorry because my laptop is a bit slow. So here you can see create new with AI. Hit it, and then you can generate using your ideas or write any ideas and then paste or paste in text import file or URL, remix a template, but we use paste in text. So here, paste, and then you will see this interface, and then choose presentation. Default, yes, default. You can change it, default or traditional. We will try traditional together now. Okay, and then here, paste your content like this. This is the content we're going to use. And then go down, generate from notes or summarize or preserve. I like to preserve it. And then continue to prompt editor. And from this side, you can choose the theme you want. So you can change it, view more, or choose one. I created these two themes so they appear directly when I open the link. So here you can view more. Custom, these are the ones you have created before. And then standard, there are many here. So we can use one which is different.
Okay, yeah, I got it. Is it useful for creating CVs? If I want to make a CV?
No, for CVs, I'll share with you a different site and application,
Mm-hmm.
a different one.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's try this one, by the way. Here you will find, or you will see the picture, and then select the theme. We selected it. You will find it in this way, and then click generate and see the magic.
Okay, I need to ask a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, if I need to generate a PPT for children, how could I do this?
Okay, no worries.
Okay.
About which, what is the topic?
I'm teaching SAT students in the UAE, and they feel bored from the PDF. So I want to create a PPT to make them not distracted or feel bored during the session. And I wanted to make my PPT interactive and with voices and movement like this, but I don't know how to do it. So I'm using the PPTs from online sites sometimes, but I want to create one of my own, yeah. So I have PDFs and I wanted to convert them to be a PPT and to be an interactive PPT. So
Yeah,
how
and this
can I do
way,
it?
in the same way I did right now in Gamma. In the same way.
I
See?
have a PDF. I have a PDF. Yeah.
Yes,
They sent it
great.
to me. They sent it to me. So I wanted to use the same PDF to create a PPT and with interactive games and sounds inside the PPT itself.
Yes, okay, great. Suppose we have this PPT. Let's download it. I'll not change anything in it. Look at the magic. Look at the pictures. It's wonderful. So click here and then export it as PDF. No, as PowerPoint. Just we will wait for seconds. We forgot something, guys. Okay, leave it right now. Okay, it was downloaded.
Okay.
You want to add sounds, videos?
Yeah, and some interactive games, maybe.
No, everything. In this course, you will learn everything. And I'm here to answer all your questions.
I'm really thankful for this course. I was searching for something like this for a while, and I found something like this in the AUC, but I haven't found the time to get into it. So when you
Mhm.
pronounce that, you say you have this course, I was so happy. Thank you very much. I'm so
Most
thankful for
welcome.
you. I'm so thankful.
Okay, and the good thing, I explain everything step by step. I can repeat
Yeah,
anything you
yeah,
want. Yes,
you're so
we're
patient
not
with us.
in a hurry, so it's wonderful.
Yeah, so patient with us, indeed.
Okay, so this is the PPT. You want to add audios or anything. So if you want to add, for example, audio, so you can click here, insert. Okay, this button, and then you choose what would you like to insert? Would you like to insert a picture, shape, a smart art? And by the way, it's so wonderful. It's or audio. Here you will find audio. Look, here is the audio. So click on it. Audio on my PC, and then choose if you have any audios. I think that I don't have right now, but if we have, okay, let's download any audio. Mhm. I think this is a video, not an audio, but it's okay. This is the video which we created using the Google Notebook LM. So let's see what we have done.
Have you ever really stopped to think about the words you use every day? I don't just mean what they mean, but their actual shape. Today, we're going to go on a little architectural tour of the English language. We're going to uncover the secret blueprint that's hiding behind every single word. So let me ask you this. Think about the word split. It just rolls right off the tongue, sounds totally normal. But now try to say it TPS-like. Go on, try it. It's a total mess, right? It feels wrong. Your brain, without you even realizing it, knows there's some kind of fundamental rule being broken there. And by the end of this, you're going to know exactly what that rule is. So here's our game plan for cracking this code. First, we're going to lay the foundation, the syllable's basic blueprint. Then we'll build out the front and back of it, how syllables start and how they end. And finally, we'll see how all this new knowledge lets us deconstruct versus the single beat in a word like just these three parts. Think of it like a sandwich. The peak, which is almost always a vowel, is the filling. It's absolutely essential. Then you have the onset and the coda. They're like the pieces of bread. You can have one, you can have both, or you can have neither.
What do you think about this video, guys?
In Arabic, فظيع.
Perfect. Wonderful.
Yes, and if you complete watching this video,
Here's where it gets really
listen
When you combine
or
that
watch.
peak and coda, like the at in cat, you get what linguists call the rhyme. And yeah, it's literally the part of the word that makes cat and hat sound like they belong together. It's a simple idea, but it explains such a fundamental part of our language. So let's move on.
In the same way, you can create a story, you can create visuals or videos for your kids or students in the same way. And we will apply it right now.
To our second section and see how this all builds up. We're going to zoom in on that first piece of our syllable sandwich, how we craft the start, which is called the onset. You know, the start of a syllable can be really simple, or it can get pretty complex. You can have what's called a zero onset, where the word just kicks off with a vowel, like in ask, or you
Zero
can start
onset.
adding consonants. One, like
Zero onset, vowel only. The word starts with only a vowel, and then single consonant, two consonants, three consonants.
in cat, two, like in play, or even three, like in stream.
Before this video, you can show your students, give them some questions. Okay, let the students think about the answers for these questions, and then watch the video. And then while watching or during watching the video, they can answer the questions after they finish answering the question, and the video also is finished. you can discuss the questions with them. So there is no need to stand in front of the board and explain for them everything, and they will not so they will not be confused. Okay, so it's a perfect way to create videos. So we created a video which covered everything in our topic in just 5 minutes. And by the way, the language is perfect. The photos, the illustrators, everything is wonderful. So and it's about 6 minutes, and it's good. Okay. I downloaded it, and you asked me to drag a video or an audio. So I'll drag this video. And in the same way, you can drag an audio. So this is the video. Here it is. On. Here is the video. Okay. And new slide, no worries. I'll insert it here just to let you see. Insert, and then choose it. Insert. So this is the video. Can make it a little smaller. Your video. And in this slide, you can show them the questions. For example, in this slide, you can show your students the questions and then ask them to watch the video. This is the video, and answer the questions. Watch the video and answer the questions. This is the video which we have created, right?
Have you ever really stopped to think about the words you use every day? I don't just mean what they mean, but their actual shape. Today, we're going to go on a little architectural.
Did you get it? Do you have any questions?
Thank you so much.
You can add borders to your video like this. Click this button. Sorry. Video shape, you can add shape, you can video border, so you can add this, or effects, you can add effect shadow like this one, or make it like this, anything you want. That's it. In the same way, come here, insert. You can insert anything of these. So you can insert word art. This is a word art. The word art, I'll explain it. So wonderful. Process, list, cycle, or anything else. We can add this one. And here you can write, can add, can remove, all, or you can, for example, let me show you something. You can insert a picture, word art like this. Choose, for example, this one. Here, the text, and here. I'm just to show you how to use it. Okay, guys. Can make it bigger, make it smaller, anything. I'll explain it because it's a very useful. I use it a lot, but now I will not save anything. Okay. Gamma is wonderful, and also Google Notebook LM, and here is mind map. So we can we try the mind map? Would you like to try in one of these? Yes, in the same way, it will use the same content, and this is the mind map. Look, this is the mind map. But okay, so you cannot see all the content, so you have to click this button, click this one, and this one. Here is the mind map. You can show your students this mind map on the board to show them or to tell them what you are going to study today. Okay? And you can download it. You can change the background to see everything. Okay? Good. Do you have any questions before I explain Canva?
No, thank you. Thank you. It was really good. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. Canva is very useful. Close it from here. Let's go ahead to Canva. Canva. I'll explain Canva and CapCut, and then it will be the end of our session today. So Canva. If we have a story, let's just a moment. I'll bring something. Okay. This book is wonderful. It has many stories, so we can use some of them or one of them. If we have a story like this, just a moment. Shivered. Okay, so if we have a story like this one. Okay, let's copy it. Have fun. So in Canva, number one, how can we create images? It's super easy. Open Canva in this way. In this way, you can search the button, templates here, and write anything. Photo. Hey, choose photo from here. Choose any photo. Then go down. Choose desktop wallpaper. Then I have to close these tabs. There is something in the internet. Please share this book with us. Okay, you mean yeah, for 4,000 essential words. Okay, I'll share it with you. Okay, so now we have empty paper. We have empty paper and we have a story. We have a story and empty paper, and we want to change this story into a video. Okay, how can we do that? Do this. Number one, let's go to, no, we don't know. Come on, we here. New chat. Go to ChatGPT and write here, write prompts to let Canva create the photos for this story, and then paste your story and then click enter. Okay, the prompts are long. So after it finished, okay, make the prompts shorter. So what is the first thing I did? I have a textbook. Then what I did? Who can answer?
You write the prompt.
Yes, I copied I copied the text. It's a bit slower, I don't know why, but it's okay. I think that's because I run out of space. Run out of space.
Dr. Walid, you can just refresh by second.
Yes, I have 5G signal, but I don't know why. Okay. Make the shorter. Yes. Okay, so these are the prompts we will use. Copy it, or one by one. Go to the this empty paper, and here and go down. You find click apps, this one, and then write Magic Media. Magic Media. And choose this one, Magic Media. Okay? The first one. You will see this tab. You can create images, graphics, videos, 3D, or anything you want. I'm going to create graphics. Choose the style. Line art, doodle, I'll use doodle. Okay, and then paste the first prompt, click generate. Now we have for images. So let's choose this one, because you know the story is about this man. Okay. What's your opinion about this picture? very fast, and you can just create a normal image like this one. Okay, so you can use this one or this one. Which one would you like to use?
First one.
Okay, so let's choose this one. And do we want, I think that you have seen the videos in which someone is writing here like this, handwriting. Okay, so this is the first image we have. And here, right, sorry, I have to see something. And then write I'm sorry. Painter. Speed painter. Yes. This one. Choose speed painter. And choose the photo. Sorry. Choose the photo. Go down. And then click generate. Choose this. Okay. We need to download it first. Upload it again. Here is the photo. Click it, and from the apps, write speed painter. Click it. So we use Magic Media and Speed Painter. You can make it more than 3 minutes. Then choose this and then generate.
Dr. Walid, you don't have credit.
No, I have credit because my
Please go down and read the video.
Yeah, so I ran out of credits. So this way we create the video using Canva. I'll show you something different. No worries. Tomorrow, inshallah, I'll explain it. CapCut. Go to CapCut. هنفرح هنا هنفرح. Don't worry. I don't need to download it. you can download it, but there is no need to download it. You can use just to click happy even.
Dr. Walid, if
Yes.
I have Canva Pro, I must buy credit.
No, there is no need.
Okay.
No need. Yes, no need. And this is the link for the online Canva. I'll send it to you in the chat box.
الواحد عايز يبقى مليونير يا دكتور وليد، يعني الواحد عايز يبقى شات جي بي تي برو ب 10000 جنيه برو، مش العادي مش عارف الجوجل. والله العظيم ده بجد 200000 جنيه ولا 100000 جنيه في الشهر لو واحد بروفيشنال يعني، عشان بس شوية أدوات AI.
Yes. So you can create video or images, free video here. And here we have no project, instant AI, or something else. So if you click this button, in this application, we don't need to create the images first. Okay, let's copy the text. And here it is, the text. My laptop today is very, very bad, but yes, and here you paste the text in this way. And this is the script. You can write the topic, story, like this. Paste the text here again. 1 to 3, we don't need it, no, 10 minutes. It starts to create everything. Okay, use it, no worries. In the scenes, you can use media like this, generate with AI, and you choose the type of images you want. I preferred this one. Apply to all, continue. So all the images for the story will be created. I'm sorry because sometimes the applications take time, so it's out of my hand.
Take your time, doctor.
Look at the photos.
Excuse me, Sir Walid, who was your CELTA trainer?
Sorry?
Who was your CELTA trainer? Because
Yeah. Why do you ask this question? But I'll answer you, by the way.
some of the dialogues are very familiar to me, like the way you are talking, no worries, ye, like I think so. I'm familiar with the person. That's why I'm asking, who was your CELTA trainer?
Yeah, my CELTA trainer was the greatest tutor in the world. She's Laura.
Yes, so am I.
Yeah, Laura, I love. Yeah,
So
so
She's
mine
super
was
fantastic.
Christina. Christina
Yeah.
Nicholas, but she used to speak like that. I thought uh, we are having the same um, tutors.
Mhm. Yeah.
Like
This.
these sentences were her benchmark.
Uh-huh. So, where did you do your CELTA?
International House Izmir,
Cairo.
Turkey.
Cairo, Turkey, yes. I had an offer to work in International House in Saudi Arabia. Okay,
Why
so
didn't you accept it?
sorry?
Why didn't you accept it?
Yeah, because I'm thinking about the offer before I go for it.
So I'm going to start Delta with you.
Inshallah, no worries. We just collect people and announce the course, and then we can start it directly. Okay, so this is so we have two different ways to create the videos on Canva. This is the first option. Okay, but I don't like this option. Okay, here you will not hear anything. Listen. Why? Because we didn't add the audio. So here is the media and voiceover. Okay, so we can use avatar. No, we don't use it. We just click voice and choose anyone. For example,
Welcome to creating voice.
okay, so we will use it and then apply. It will take some time. No worries. Leave it to complete. I think that you didn't get this this method, but I'll explain it again. Mhm. It's all about my laptop, guys, not about the sites or about the internet. I think that I should turn off my laptop and restart it again, but I'll not do it right now. Okay, يا حبيبي
Dr.
خلاص.
Walid, I think if you keep the Windows or laptop open for, I think, 1 hour before the session, the laptop will collapses like this or freeze like this. I think
والله
Windows only, not Mac.
yeah,
This happened
yeah.
for me also.
Mm, mm.
It's not about the speed of your laptop, it's about you open the laptop before session, 1 hour before session, I think.
Yes. Yes, but I'll fix it, inshallah. No worries. Listen.
Once there was a shepherd. Every night he counted and gathered.
Just a moment. We have to wait. I have to just regenerate the photos like this. Generate with AI. The missing photos. Don't worry, the sound is very good, but the lagging it's because of the internet. And this one. Guys, I close everything and yeah, not the Zoom, but I'll export it first. Delete something from the downloads. خلاص يا حبيبي، خلاص stop. I'll do everything again. A good opportunity to explain the CapCut again. Okay, so CapCut online. Okay, online CapCut. يلا. Okay, so here you will find this face, and then click Free AI Video Makers. Click this one, and then here we have Instant AI Video. Try it. يلا يا حبيبي. And here you can paste the content you want. Choose the frame for your video, and then you choose the type of images which you want the AI generate for you. I'll choose this one, cartoon 3D, and then here adjust the time. I want it to be 10 minutes. Okay, and then click create. I'm sorry, it takes some time, about 5 minutes. But we will get a wonderful result. So it's a good opportunity if you have a question, guys. No worries, sir. You are ready, doing a great. Thank you. Yeah. Tahniya. 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 Is it your name? Tahniya. Did I say it right? يا ترى. Okay.
Yes, it's Tehnia.
Tahniya. Yeah.
Yeah,
Good name.
it's Tehnia, or you can call me Tani.
Tani. Thank you. Yes. Yes, I'll share everything after after I upload the video to the LMS. Media, okay, generated. يلا طيب. Okay.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yes, go ahead. تفضل.
Yeah, from your point of view, what is the best duration between having Delta or preparing for Delta Module 1 and CELTA? Like I've finished my CELTA course 2 weeks ago. I finished.
Yes.
I'm just waiting for the certificate actually. And I'm planning to continue, but for Delta, they told us to wait at least 2 years from Cambridge. It's better to say it like that. So what should I do for these 2 years, or should I start for Module 1? What do you
Okay,
think?
let me ask you a question. You can do Delta Module 1 even if you don't have CELTA or TEFL TESOL.
Mm-hmm.
So do you think that you need to wait after doing CELTA?
No, I don't need to wait and I don't need to waste any time, but just
Yeah.
as you told us from Cambridge, it's better to wait 2 years to start Delta and also I took TOEFL before CELTA, but I mean for Delta, when should I
Mhm.
start this step?
No need to wait. If you have money,
Mm-hmm.
if you can do it, if you have effort, energy, go ahead. Don't waste time.
So I don't need to just work with the CELTA to be applicable for me to apply all of the different ways of teaching that I learned in CELTA
Mhm.
first and then start Delta, or it doesn't matter?
Sorry again?
It doesn't matter to just work with the CELTA, like to be applicable. I learned different ways of teaching, like we talk in CELTA. Should I apply them first and work with the CELTA and then apply for Delta?
No need to wait. You
No
can
need.
go ahead directly to Delta. Why not? Because in Delta Module 1, you need to you need the frameworks and the theoretical knowledge you have learned from CELTA.
How long does it take? Module 1?
Minimum three months. Minimum.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so we created this video, okay, and we have to add the voice in this way. We will choose this girl and then click apply.
فصل اللاب فصل الساعة 10 يعني أنا لو قعدت المشكلة إن أنا مش مثلا باخدهم كوبي بيست من مكان
If
واحد
you
لا
if
أنا
you
باخد
please if you please unmute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
مثلا جمعهم كلهم في نفس الحتة وأقعد
يا حسن أسرار العيلة.
العيلة في خطر.
أسرار العيلة. It's okay. Sorry, only 1 minute. 1 minute. Everything will be okay. But it doesn't happen, okay? It doesn't happen in usual. That's maybe because we have many things here. So our laptop is very slow. Okay. منتهى الإهمال أنا شوية في اللابتوب. I can move you to my iPad and then go back again to the lesson. Sorry, guys, be patient. So I moved you here to just to let the app finishes what it's being doing, what it's being doing. So I restarted it, and so if you have a question, I'm here on the iPad. Omar, do you have a question?
No.
We have people from India, from Pakistan.
Hello, sir.
Yes, hello.
Yes, I'm Mohammed Danish here.
Mhm.
Sir, I have a question to you that after the session, will you provide a form like we fill it, we understand the topic today?
Sorry, what do you ask? What do you ask me about? Provide what? Provide what?
Just I asked, sir,
Mhm.
after the session,
Mhm.
each session you provide, should you provide the exam form like we fill it, we understand the topic today?
No, I'll just upload the session, record it to the LMS, so you can go to the LMS and watch the video or watch the session.
Okay,
And you
thank you,
can,
sir.
yeah, and you have to use your laptop or desktop to apply what you have learned.
I'm using it.
You're using it. Good. Okay, just a moment. I have finished, and by the way, it became faster. Alhamdulillah, and I'll fix it inshallah by tomorrow. Everything will be okay. Change it totally.
Okay, sir, thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, just a moment. We came back.
دكتور وليد
Yes.
how you did it يعني the Zoom meeting don't
Mhm.
close don't
Yeah, it wasn't shut down.
wasn't shut down.
Yeah,
How
yeah,
you did do it?
yeah. I use the
This is
same.
advanced technique, by the way.
No, it is not, wallahi. It is not advanced technique, but I use the same Google account in my laptop and on the iPad. Okay.
Okay.
So when I click on Zoom here, this application, okay, I open it on my laptop, and if I want to change or to move on to my iPad, I just click on the link here. Just do it. Can you see?
Okay, a little bit, but
You can see the button switch.
Okay,
The,
okay. I understand now.
the switch button. So if I click this one here, you will come here right now.
Wow.
Now you are on the iPad.
Wow, nice. And you can and then you can restart your computer, and all the participants are still there.
Yeah. Yes.
واو والله جميل جدا والله. ربنا يبارك في حضرتك يا رب. دي لايف تشينجينج بالنسبه للمدربين دي.
And now you are on the laptop.
يا جميل والله.
Would you like to go to the iPad again?
ثانك يو والله. ربنا يعز حضرتك يا دكتور وليد. عظيم والله.
بس هي الفكرة بس ان انا التايم معاكم، بس هو الوقت النهارده على فكرة اللابتوب ما خدمكوش خالص. انا مش عارف، هو اول مرة يعني ممكن يعمل حاجة زي كده، بس يعني مش عارف اقول ايه، لكن الحمد لله يعني الواحد بيقول الحمد لله. احنا شرحنا حاجات كتير النهارده. I have to speak English because we have different nationalities. That's why I'm talking English. I'm speaking in English the whole time.
Your English is very well, doctor.
Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. امسك الخشب ماليش دعوة. Thank you a lot. يلا بقى حركت ايدي يا شيخ. طيب it needs the internet, the whole internet. ماشي. Okay, يلا. Okay, go to the laptop here. Wait. Just to let him finish the editing and then go again to the laptop. Type. Okay.
After making the video, does it have the transcript on it, or is there a way to remove the sentences and the words?
No, we
The
don't have to change anything, and the video now is ready. So can you see my screen, guys, right?
Yes.
يلا بقى. بسم الله.
Yeah.
Have you ever wanted
طيب هنعمل لها داونلود بسرعة كده.
I mean, while watching the video, should we keep the sentences like that? So listen and watch the sentences, or is there a way to hide them?
No, it's up to you, by the way. So let me do some changes. If you want to change, you can here edit more. Okay?
Okay.
Edit more. Now we have the sentences, the audios, and the videos. Listen, it's a different story, by the way. A new tab will be open. هو في problem بس لما بستخدم الزوم معي but just a moment I'll switch here and then edit more. Okay. Mhm. And when you press edit more, you will get this window, and you can remove the whole sentences like this. You can remove the whole sentences, or you can adjust them, change the font size, or anything you want. So you can change the color. Okay يا حبيبي. This, in this way you have to change the color. هو في مشكلة فيه مع الزوم. This is the first time to discover this. Change the color from here, and you can change the text, the voice, and anything you want here. This is the text, you can change it. Use a different, you can make it bold. You can make it italic. And you can change the voice. But it's a bit slow because we use it with Zoom. And then we can export it. So yes, and then download it. Just a moment. I'm downloading it right now. Oh, okay, so we can complete this part tomorrow, guys.
Yeah, no worries for sure.
course,
Yeah,
Dr. Walid.
yes,
We
okay,
can do it tomorrow.
because I think that in this part I have a problem with my laptop. I'll fix it inshallah, and tomorrow we will start doing it again. So we will start from CapCut. And today we explained, mashallah, a good stuff.
Yes. Really amazing session.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
It will be only on Fridays and Saturdays.
Yeah,
Mhm.
only Fridays and Saturdays.
Dr. Walid, can I suggest something?
Yes, but